Want to make a fast and flavorful Mediterranean chickpea salad loaded with all the healthy benefits of spinach and lots of other veggies? You found it. Hola, I'm Caroline, and my channel is all about helping you learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day. And I do that by sharing recipes, kitchen tips, and how-tos that make the most of this healthy approach to eating. So if you're interested in that, be sure to tap the subscribe button and join me on this healthy journey. There are so many tasty options when it comes to Mediterranean salads, and if you've watched my mix and match salad system video, you already know it. But in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the simple classics of the Mediterranean plate. It's a one-bowl meal loaded with healthy protein from garbanzo beans and feta cheese, nutrient-dense spinach, lycopene-rich tomatoes, crispy cucumbers, flavorful herbs, and more. And make sure to stick around until the end, because after we've assembled this beautiful salad, I'll also share another quick tip that always comes in handy in my Mediterranean kitchen. This salad is so simple but requires a little time to chop everything up. But remember, if you make plenty, it's a great way to meal prep for another day. Just make sure to cut everything into bite-sized pieces. I love these cherry tomatoes off the vine. They're just so sweet. I'm using a very fresh and creamy feta cheese. It's salty and sharp all at once. I'm a big fan of rubbing off the outer skin from garbanzo beans. They're much creamier and softer when you take a few minutes to do this under cold running water. Just repeat it a few times until the skins are all gone. Our main ingredients are all ready, so let's prep the garnishes next. A little diced onion is always a classic topping. And the fun and flavorful part comes from lots of finely minced fresh herbs. I'm using chive, parsley, basil, and mint today, but whatever fresh herbs you have on hand will work too. And if you're enjoying the video, please take a minute to give me some feedback about this recipe. If you're already a part of the community, you know I try really hard to answer each and every one of your thoughtful comments. It really makes my day to hear from you. A simple classic vinaigrette is all this flavorful salad needs. Juice 1 fresh lemon and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Start with 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice, and the garlic. I'm simply so proud of George's new home-raised honey. I'm using it everywhere. So in goes 2 tablespoons. As always, a healthy pinch of sea salt and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now just finish it off with a good grind of black pepper. Okay, it's time to plate up our incredibly colorful salad loaded with so much healthy goodness. But before we dig in, here's that bonus tip from my Mediterranean kitchen to yours that I hope you'll find as useful as I do. I love using a mandolin when I'm prepping ingredients, but if you're new to it, take extra care and use the safety tools because these blades are so sharp. But boy, do they make cutting corn kernels easy. I can use them right away for a simple sauté or freeze them for later. I even freeze the cobs so that I can use them later when I'm making soup. There are 2 simple ways to plate this tasty salad. Individual servings, which works best for George and I, while I save the extra prepped ingredients for another salad later in the week. But if you're feeding a crowd, toss it all together in one big bowl and dig in. Now that you know how to make this classic Mediterranean salad, there's a whole easy system of mix and match salads that should be part of your own collection. So just click here to watch the video and download your free PDF that makes it super simple to enjoy lots more salads every day.